Most people confuse innovation with inventions. Things like internet, flying cars, time machine, etc. These are novel inventions, not innovations. Invention is something that happens or is made for the first time in the world, and it has been never seen before, and usually these inventions becomes platform for innovations to happen. For example, internet is an invention. It was the new protocol or the way to communicate information to and fro across geographies at high speed, almost in real time. But internet by itself did not create huge impact on our lives. It was only when internet was used as a resource, as a tool to innovate on it, those applications and those innovations changed the world, and it made into what we now live in. Internet had to be used as a tool to solve real life problems to make it impactful. Hence, innovations like email, online payments, e-commerce, etc. These were the applications, these were the innovations that we witnessed, and it changed the consumer behavior using internet. Now let's see an example and try to relate with the definition of innovation that we saw in the previous shot. As we discussed in the last shot, innovation is exponentially increasing an impact with the available resources around you. So let's take an example of retail. Retail has been around since ages, and companies have to depend on retail to reach their customers for their products or their services. Now, a problem that every business face is how to maximize their direct to consumer reach as much as possible, because that is how they can control their communication, they can maximize profits, stay competitive, understand their customers, etc. Internet could enable this solution wherein the companies could reach out to their customer, could sell their products directly and communicate with them, and hence the world saw a huge innovation which we know as e-commerce. And companies like Amazon, Alibaba, eBay, they pioneered this innovation of e-commerce, where companies could directly do business with the customers at scale. Now, some innovation like these creates so much impact that the human behavior changes completely, and usually they are irreversible. So they are such big an innovation that we as consumers, we as humans completely change after experiencing these kind of services. Another great example of such an innovation is Uber. What do you think of Uber? Do you agree or disagree? Do you think it's a huge innovation? If yes or no, why? Because one of the most important skill to have as an innovator is to think why. Why is this true? Why is this false? Why is this way? Why is this that way? And hence I would love to hear from you what is your perspective about Uber and why. Anyways, thanks for joining today. I hope you got some clarity about what is the difference between innovation and invention, and why invention is not innovation and vice versa. And feel free to comment, leave a comment or message me or email me about what is your point, and if you have some further question about understanding the difference, I would be happy to take up those questions. Remember again, do not innovate while driving, innovate responsibly. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for joining. My name is Susovan and this is Innovation Shots. Cheers.